Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Night Shift on your iPhone running iOS 16. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So what is Night Shift? Night Shift automatically controls the color of your display to warmer end of this color spectrum after dark. This may help you sleep better. So those of you who are coming from an Android phone, this is like the night mode. So let me show you how to enable Night Shift and configure this. So first you want to go into settings. Now you want to scroll down and find display and brightness. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you want to find Night Shift, which is right here. As you can see, it's currently switched off. Go ahead and tap on it. And now this will give you more options. So there are two options where you can enable nighttime. The first one is schedule. So if you enable that, you can select a from time and to time. The second way is to manually enable it until tomorrow. So go ahead and enable this. And tomorrow that will be switched off. Down below you can select the color temperature of the nighttime. So once nighttime is enabled, this is what color you will see on your screen. And that is how to enable and configure Night Shift on your iPhone running iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.